Today's question is, an integer alpha satisfied the equation summation k equal to 1 to 1012 1 over alpha plus k minus summation k equal to 1013 to 2024 1 over k, that is equal to 0. We will find the value of alpha. Let's see how to find the value of alpha. Here we have a minus and we have two terms. If we take it this second term to the right hand side, then it is going to be summation 1 over alpha plus k. So k equal 1 to 1012, that is equal to summation 1 over k. K equal to 113 to 2024. In the left hand side, k is from 1 to 1012 and right hand side the k is from 1013 to 2024. Here, if we change the index of the summation on the left hand side, that means here we have a alpha plus k. If we consider this alpha plus k as some other variable m, in the right hand side we have a k. So let's write in terms of a k. So then k equal to m minus alpha, isn't it? When k equal to 1 to 1012, then so m value is alpha plus k. K is range from 1 to 1012, that means m range is from alpha plus k, that is alpha plus 1 to alpha plus 1012, isn't it? So alpha plus 1 to alpha plus 1012. Let's write that. So we are considering this alpha plus k as some other variable m. Then our range is also changed. It changed into alpha plus 1 to alpha plus 1012. Since the variable of summation is a dummy variable, we can replace it with k. So this m is a dummy variable. We can replace with any other variable, either it is m or a or b, anything. So here, for our convenience, I am going to change this variable as k, because here we have a k. I want to make it 2 equal to find the value of alpha. That's why this dummy variable I can replace with m with k. Now this 1 over k and this 1 over k are same. That means if this summation is same, the range is also same. For the ranges be the same, the starting and ending points must be equal, isn't it? So this is the starting point for the left hand side, which is alpha plus 1. So that is equal to this right hand side starting point, which is 1013. Alpha equal to 1013 minus 1, which gives 1012. This is the starting point. The ending point is also same. So that is alpha plus 1012, that is equal to 2024. So here alpha equal to 2024 minus 1012, which gives 1012. Both equations give the same value of alpha. So therefore the alpha value is 1012. That's it. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.